But this could be a medical condition far worse than snoring. It could be obstructive sleep apnea, a condition that blocks the throat and literally stops you from breathing while you're asleep. When this happens, oxygen is cut off. The brain goes into a fight or flight mode and then wakes you up so that you can breathe again. I stopped breathing almost 30 times an hour. Sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, heart attack, glaucoma, diabetes, cancer, and behavioral problems. Not to mention, you just don't sleep well. One study illustrated that sleep apnea can cost the US up to $165 billion a year. And that's not just health costs to the patient. That's traffic accidents, workplace accidents, and productivity losses. The most common fix for sleep apnea is something called a CPAP machine.